South Atlantic geopolítics. The characteristics of the Chinese space base in Neuquén, Argentina. The station is installed in Bajada del Agrio, a town of 800 inhabitants in the department of Picunchis, 250 kilometers from the capital of the province of Neuquén. It is the first installed by China outside its territory. It is a 200-hectare property given for this purpose for 50 years, with a 35-meter diameter satellite dish, fundamentally aimed at so-called deep space missions, located at distance exceeding 300,000 kilometers from Earth. The station provides telemetry tracking and control support for the Chinese Moon exploration program missions. In operation since April 2018, it is one of the 3 stations in the world, along with another 2 in China, dedicated to providing ground support for the Chang'e 4 mission, which descended on the far side of the Moon in 2019, and Chang'e 5, which successfully brought lunar samples back to the Earth in 2020. Mark Stanley, U.S. ambassador in Argentina, which said, "With respect to the Chinese, I am surprised that Argentina allows the Chinese armed forces to operate in Neuquén, secretly doing who knows what. I think it's very slow to guide or follow missiles. It is prepared to follow satellites or spacecraft," they stated in reference to the 35-meter diameter communication antenna located at the base. Nor can it carry out espionage on North American territory due to the curvature of the Earth. The security of the property is in charge of the Neuquén police and a few years ago by a private company, never by Chinese soldiers. Against this backdrop, the government has been exercising a diplomatic balance between the United States and China, trying not to neglect the ties and the economic needs that beneath with both countries. Javier Milei said in an interview he gave to Bloomberg that giving up China is difficult, even for the Argentina, anarcho-capitalist. The head of state said that trade relations between both countries have not undergone significant change. We have always said that we are liberal. If people want to make transactions with China, they can continue making the same transactions. The objective of Richardson's trip was to promote the development of the Ushuaia Integrated Naval Base, a key logistic hub for the passage to Antarctica, and to go against the construction of the multipurpose port of Rio Grande, which would supposedly be financed with Chinese capital. Having an exit from the port to Antarctica will give China an important geopolitical position.